Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm back with Luminar Neo's new update. If you take a look at the bottom right corner, you'll see this brand new icon, which is the new AI Assistant. And this feature might change how you edit your photos. So, AI Assistant is a tool in Luminar Neo that helps you edit photos using text commands. It analyzes the content of your image, including objects, composition, and colors, and then suggests the most suitable editing options. But is it actually useful or just an AI gimmick? Let's find out. I'll use this photo taken by me as an example. Click on the icon to open up the AI Assistant. To use the AI Assistant, there are two types of prompts. Action prompt, like enhance this photo, or turn this photo black and white. Question prompt, like how to remove distractions. And these are suggestion prompts that you can use already, just click on it. But I'm going to try to type my own prompt. Make this photo dramatic. Click Enter, and I will analyze the photo and give suggestions. There are three options that you can choose from. The first one looks okay. The second one is oversaturated. I think I'm going to choose the third one. Below, you can also read a short description explaining how the AI edited the photo. You can go to the Edits tab to see exactly what's been applied. And you can still adjust everything manually if needed. And yes, this is a non-destructive edit. Let's try to edit another photo. This time, let's use the suggestion prompt. This one looks dramatic. Again, you can adjust the effects if needed. Next, I want to know if it's possible to ask the AI to change the sky or remove an object in the photo. Remove the people in this photo. The object wasn't removed. It looks like for now the action prompt is only limited to enhancing the photo. But if you want to remove or replace anything in the photo, you can still ask the AI how to do it step by step, and it will guide you through the process. Overall, this is a great update, very useful, especially for beginners. I like it. You'll have access to the AI Assistant if you already own the Luminar Neo 2025. No additional cost needed. And if you find Luminar Neo useful and want to purchase it, use the link in the description to get a discount and to support this channel. Alright, that's it for this video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.